let's check out how the Matriarch integrates with the Moog sound system consisting of the Subharmonicon and the DFAM. So no Mother 32, it's kind of taking the place of the Mother 32. And the reason I thought that this would be a good idea is because the Matriarch has a pretty cool sequencer in it. It has 4 different sequences within 3 banks. So you have 12 different sequences you can store, and you can do a lot with that. Also, obviously, the Matriarch is an awesome mono voice. So I know it's going to sound good for that. And it has tons of utilities. The attenuators can be used as VCAs. It has 2 LFOs. The delay is great, and it will put us into stereo really easily. And it has this awesome characterful mixer. The one thing with the Moog style mixer is you have to be careful when turning things up too much because you'll get distortion, this really nice asymmetrical clipping that sounds great on a single voice, but put through a whole track, it can kind of muddy things up. So you have to be careful. Awesome for a synth voice, not really what you want to use to mix a whole track. So here's the first patch I made using those 3 instruments. I also used a couple Rogue Eurorack modules that I'll add links to in the description just because they were there. I don't think I really needed to use them. I think I could have gotten around it using just this system, but I used them anyway. If you like this video, then remember to hit like on it and subscribe to my channel if you want more like this.